This morning we have Sally Babbitt from the Babbitt Legal Group back with us. Good morning, Sally.
Good morning. It's so good to be back here.
It is so good to see you. You know, I know that during the pandemic you've been very busy and you've actually updated your resume a little bit. Tell us about that.
Yeah, I did. From March through December of 2020, I earned a postgraduate certificate from San Diego State University in forensic psychology.
Okay, so what is forensic psychology exactly, and how are you going to use it?
Well, forensic psychology refers to the study and practice of psychology in the legal system and in the legal field. And there are a lot of areas that the legal field uses psychology. The most obvious is in the criminal practice. They do a lot of determinations if somebody is competent to stand trial, for example. But the court systems and law enforcement, they also use it quite a bit in child abuse and neglect cases and in custody and juvenile cases.
So that's not typically your specialty, I don't think. So how will you use it? Tell us about that.
Right, it's not. And luckily, I was able in the program to select which particular classes that I wanted to take, and that would apply mostly to what I wanted to do. So I focused on areas that would help me evaluate, counsel, and advise clients when dealing with contested matters in the probate court. So guardianship and conservatorship cases, will and trust contests, fiduciary challenges, and it's helped me tremendously in mediation cases because I'm able to kind of get down to the core of what's really going on and then address that issue and sometimes create a resolution that the courts couldn't provide and get the matters settled.
Sounds very interesting, and good for you for taking that experience and doing something to improve your resume. And you're also coaching as well, correct?
I'm coaching, and it's very helpful in that. And I also just started writing a book on the psychology of probate litigation. So I'm pretty excited about that as well.
Sally, you never cease to amaze me. You're always keeping busy doing lots of different things. Tell us your specialty, though. We've talked about what you're doing, but what's your specialty?
You know, anything with death and disability, wills, trusts, estate planning, estate administration, probate matters, anything along those lines. We're happy to help.
Well, thank you, my friend. I'm always impressed with what you're up to. And thanks so much for joining us on The Blend. We're going to put your information on the screen, Babbitt Legal Group. You can get a hold of Sally Babbitt at sallybabbittlaw.com or give her a call at 507-3306.